Woot! Ayan, mega love shout out sa ating lahat. So, ayan, Merry Christmas sa ating lahat. And advance Happy New Year. So, ayan. Andito ngayon ako upang gumawa na naman ng birthday greetings para sa ating kapatid ng Team One Love na magbe-birthday. Walang iba kung ang ating Vic Soto ng Team One Love. So, ayan. Walang, lokong seryoso. Yan lang ang ating Vic Soto ng Team One Love. So, ayan. Happy birthday, lokong seryoso kapatid. So, ayan. Enjoy your day. Be happy always. Sana, and keep safe always. Sana mag-ingat ka palagi. At sana lagay kang gabayan ni Lord. Ilayo ka sa anumang sakit. And mag-iingat ka palagi sa araw-araw, sa iyong trabaho. And sana more revenues, more friends, more subscribers, and more viewers to come sa iyong channel. And thank you so much sa always support, and thank you so much for being a friend with us. And enjoy your day. And again, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. And God bless you. And ayan, this is me, Jen's Mix Vlog, na nagbibigay bati sa ating kapatid na magbe-birthday na si Lokong Seryoso. So ayan, again, happy birthday, Merry Christmas, and advance Happy New Year. Bye-bye guys!